Okay, so let's do this practice test for your GED. We'll
Okay.
start with exponential notation. First question. You have been given this garden, you have been given different shops and different prices, and you have to find out the cost in dollars that you will have to pay if you have an area of 13 by 13 feet and if you have to purchase from shop B. Okay, so basically you have a garden and you have to cover it with sod and you need to find out how much money it is going to cost. So for this, for questions like this, you have to focus on area, and area of a square is side into side, a side square. So we have been given 13 feet by 13 feet. So we have to cover an area of 13 into 13. Okay.
13. I
Now,
can't see the other. Hold on. Okay, now I see it. 13 times 13.
okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Now you have to make the purchase from shop B. So we'll look at shop B. What is the cost of sod from shop B? It is 0.5 per square foot, right?
Yeah, let me pull my calculator up. Sorry. Okay, 13 times 13.
And for 1 foot, we have to pay 0.50. We'll just multiply it. This is your answer.
I don't see what that says. What do you
0,
put? DOS, I guess.
0.5.
Oh, zero. Do I do
Yeah,
0.5 times 3 times? Wait,
yeah. So
sorry.
B is your answer, okay?
0.5.
13 square is your area. 0.5 is your cost.
So 0.50 times 13 times 13?
Yeah. Okay. Now, question number 2, you have to find out which of the purchase is the most expensive, right? So you have been given
Okay.
different areas and you have been given different costs. You have to calculate this now. Okay.
Shop A is 40 cents to cover
Okay.
20 feet by 20 feet. So the same
Uh-huh.
square.
Mm-hmm.
So 20 by 20, correct?
Correct.
So shop A to cover 20 by 20. But how would you find the answer for
Okay. So we have 20 feet by 20 feet, right? First of all, we'll
mhm.
calculate the area, how much area we have to cover. You already know that to calculate area, you have to multiply side by side. So we'll say 20 by 20, right?
Mhm.
Multiply them.
Mhm.
Okay.
So same
So
thing with the 60 by 16.
yes, same thing by with 16 by 16. Can you tell me how much would you have to pay to the shop B?
And that's also 0.4, 40.
Shop
Oh,
B, look at the
it
table.
okay, got it.
Hmm.
Divide, is it divided by or
Okay. You have to buy a lot of things. Would you divide or would you multiply? Would you have to pay less or would you have to pay more?
more? No, less.
More. When
More.
you have to buy a lot of things, you have to pay more. And whenever we are going from a smaller number to bigger number, we
So
times it. Okay?
0.5.
Yes.
128. Is that correct?
Yeah. The second one is correct. Calculate the amount of
D.
money that you'll have to pay to shop C.
0.6. Point. Is it 0.06?
Yes, it is point 6. 0.6.
0.6.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's sorry, 18 by 18. 1944. Is that correct?
19.4 or
Yeah.
194?
No, I meant 194. Sorry.
Yeah, 194, right? What about sub D?
146.
Yes, 146. What about shop E?
Now I understand this part of the math. So that's
Mm-hmm.
cool.
Because
The first one,
this is
huh?
related to like everyday life, right? You do this every
Yeah.
day.
It's nice when I'm excited and learning this. That's good to
This is
know.
why this is
And my foot's
maths
falling
is
asleep.
fun, right?
It is fun. Once you know how to do it, it's fun. It's exciting.
Yeah, it is exciting.